Today's dessert is a no-bake easiest eclair cake. So what goes into the no-bake easiest eclair cake? 1 box cinnamon graham crackers, 2 boxes the 3.4 ounce French vanilla instant pudding, 12 ounces of Cool Whip thawed. This is 16 ounces, so I won't be using all of it. 3.5 cups milk, 1 tub dark chocolate frosting. All I could find was just regular chocolate. And then to top it off, chocolate sprinkles. You can use plain or chocolate graham crackers, or you can use a different pudding, like Chocolate Death by Chocolate Eclair, where you use chocolate graham crackers, chocolate pudding, and chocolate frosting. But I'm going to be going with the standard eclair. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is take a 9 by 11 pan and spray it with cooking spray. And set that aside. So get a big bowl. This had a hole in it, so I don't even have to open it. This one does too, and that's strange. That's 2 boxes of the French vanilla instant pudding mix. Next, add the 3.5 cups of milk. There is 2, 3, and a half. Then take an electric mixer and mix until thoroughly combined. All right, so next you're going to fold in the 12 ounces of the thawed whipped cream. I'm just guessing. I took part of it out and I'm just going to put in the rest. So I'm hoping it's going to be about 12 ounces. But none of the containers, they were either 8 ounces or 16 ounces. And just fold that in. So this looks pretty good. So we'll just set this aside. The next thing we're going to do is put the graham crackers layer them all on the bottom, and I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. So take your pudding mix, take half of that and put it on top of the graham crackers. And I'm thinking that's about half, and spread it out. Next we'll take and put another layer of the graham crackers. After the second layer of graham crackers, put in the second layer of the pudding mix. and spread that till nice and smooth. Then put the last layer of graham crackers on. We will take our tub of frosting and put it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds, and then pour the softened frosting over the graham crackers. And spread it out. And there you have the no-bake easiest eclair cake. We will put it in the refrigerator to chill for 12 to 24 hours. So I'm just going to leave it in the refrigerator until Dave gets home tomorrow night, and we'll have it for dessert. So after 24 hours, the easiest eclair cake is ready. We'll put a little bit of whipped cream on it, and a few little chocolate sprinkles. And I'll let my husband do a taste test.
I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.